So platform trial is different from a traditional phase 2 trial because it helps test multiple compounds at one time and compare them to a placebo arm. So only 25% chance to be in a placebo. Also with the platform trial, there is a lot of work that is done prior to starting the trial, and this is why it took us so long, to put the groundwork necessary to do a clinical trial. So before, if you have a drug and you want to do a clinical trial, you have to build the infrastructure, do the clinical trial, and then take it off at the end. And then you have another drug, you have to start all over. And you can see how that really loses time and loses money. With the platform trial, we're going to put all that groundwork, that infrastructure before, do our trial, and it's going to be ever open. So any new drug that comes in, we can start testing it, which will only stop when we find a cure for the disease. As we are doing this platform trial, we're going to also learn about the disease. The information that we get from the patient, when we take their blood or spinal fluid, we're going to store it and study it so we can learn a little bit more about the disease. Traditionally, that information usually is lost and nobody goes back and looks at it. But now it's important. So not only are we going to try and do a clinical trial to learn about drug that can work to slow down the disease, but also understand the disease a little bit better. And if a drug doesn't work, maybe understand why it doesn't work so we can use a better drug down the line. So this is how it is really a game changer. This is not new. It has been used in cancer. It has been used in other neurodegenerative diseases. This is just a way to really accelerate and try and find drugs that would be interesting to go to phase 3 trial. It's also, there is a built-in statistic. If a drug doesn't look too good, we'll drop it early. So we don't have to go through a year or a year and a half of trial before knowing that the drug doesn't work. And the reason we have to do this, now it's different. Before, there wasn't that many drugs. Now there is so many compounds coming our way. There is a lot of research, and really, ALS is the low-hanging fruit for neurodegeneration. Imagine if we crack ALS, we're done. We'll crack all neurodegenerative diseases. So this is the excitement, and patients have been waiting. Unfortunately, due to COVID, we were slowed down, understandably, but we just got activated, and we are actively screening patients, and patients are very excited about it.